Alright, there we go. There we go. Let's do this. Copy this. All right. All right. Morning, people that are just joining. Morning, morning. All right. Alrighty. Good morning. Good morning. Okay. Well, we're just chilling. We're waiting for market open. We got 8 minutes. I believe we probably go towards the London high on the open because we are 40 points from that currently. London high is at 171. We've taken out Asia highs, and then hopefully we can take out London high and then move down towards London low and Asia low. Well, if we were looking for a short from there, of course. Excuse me. If you guys didn't see my message, we are now partnered with TradeSyncer. TradeSyncer, you can copy across multiple prop firms. So if you want to have 20 Apex accounts, copy those to a few Bulanox accounts, copy those to a few Top Step Tradeovate accounts. You can do all of that just with TradeSyncer. So I think that's pretty cool. Got to make sure you read the, not rules of TradeSyncer, but how it works, because doesn't work, I think, with trailing stops and stuff right now. It'd be more for your manual trading probably. I hope we get some clean price action this morning, guys. Hope we get some clean price action. What else did I need to say? If you guys just bought NQTrader, make sure to send me your machine ID. We're gonna add the license key stuff to that when we release the next update, which like in a week. So morning, people that are just joining. Morning. Remember, people that are joining, all right, Apex 80% off, Bulanox code 91% off. So you can get a 50K account for just under $16 on Bulanox, okay? Just under 16 bucks. So if you want some to play around with, that's your firm right there. Good morning, Tom. How you doing? How are you doing? Botfolio is already up like 500 on the day, which is great. We open in a minute and a half here. It looks like we're going to sweep the London high right on the open. So I would expect a pump up right on the open, just so you guys know. London high is 171 on NQ. So 20 points. One minute till open. Alrighty, 20 seconds. Again, I think we're gonna probably move up on the open here. Little tiny pump, and then we drop there in the open. Big wick there. Watch the 1 minute chart in this bottom right to really see what the price action's doing. I guess because, you know, I thought we were going to move up. Probably a lot of people did as well, so we had to dump. Had to dump. %50 of the overnight range is at 18,018. So we're pretty much looking. We want to see mainly shorts above that level, ideally. Instant reaction back up. Instant reaction. All right, we can. SBS can start taking trades for us now. It's 9:32. I think we probably draw to London High now. If we can close above, yeah. Yeah, I'd say we move to London High. Oh. Where's London High? Yeah. Very choppy open. I mean, look at these 1 minute candles, guys. That's chop. We are in a 1 minute long here. Stop loss on this 1 minute trade is about 30 points, or 40 points, I mean. Which is a good size to let it actually play out, so. Quiet in here this morning. I think we got a sleepy group of people. Do we have any news today? We do not really have any news to worry about. We're in a 48 range, pattern 2, it looks like. 1 minute, come on, move up a little bit more. Little bit more. We hit 37. So we got 6 points away. Our trailing would have tagged right around 40. So we got just a couple points away from the trail stop moving. A very choppy open, guys. Very choppy open. Oh, we're in trades on everything. I just looked away for half a second. 1 minute did end up winning. Our best bet at this point would be for us to move lower. Oops. So we stopped out of the 1 minute there. That's 1R, 350. So that's not too bad. That's not too bad at all. Considering how choppy it is, if you guys are running 1 minute, you know, you could just take a one and done for the morning. That's up to you, of course. 48 range, closed out for 147. Looks like it didn't hit first TP, just got trailed out. And we're in short on the 32 and 42. So again, best case scenario is currently happening is we move lower on the 42 and 32, and we got out for profit on the other trades. So again, that is the best case scenario. That's how you can win on every chart. All right, so these trades won 32 and 42. Start time to 8:40. I gotcha. Yeah, generally I say 9:35 is plenty, but whatever you guys are comfortable with, that's what you should do. We're in a 48 long again. 48, you know, not a lot of people use 48. It's just an extra chart there. 32 and 42. Looks like we're gonna get trailed, and we do. When the market is pretty rangy, guys, SBS does do fairly well. Just so you know, we don't want it choppy, but rangy, you know, that's okay. Right now we're in a pretty decent size range. It's not huge, but I mean, 50 points back and forth, that allows SBS to get some decent trades usually. 48 winner. And instantly trailed probably, let's see. Yes, okay, trailed out. We're up 540 already though on the 48. So we're up pretty good. Pretty good right now. We're green on every chart. The 1 minute, if we didn't have a super tight trail, we would still be in. And the final TP was at 180. So we wouldn't have hit a full TP yet, but be close. Literally just got 5 points away from London. All right, we would have just hit full TP there on the 1 minute chart. We would have just hit that. Am I trading live account, sim account? I have funded accounts, Brian. On the stream here, I just show the sim accounts mainly. I trade my funded accounts off screen, but generally I have the same exact trades here. I just don't want people copying exactly when I turn them on or off, or I want you guys to make your own decisions, you know. But yeah, I have funded accounts, and the only live personal account that I trade is with Botfolio. So yeah, hopefully that answers your question there. Really pumping up. We have another high at 213. We're really pumping now. Really pumping. Wow. Wow, we're moving, guys. We're moving. Ooh, Botfolio's cooking right now. Let me check it. Hold on. Oh yeah. Botfolio is in a couple MES longs. And they are doing pretty well. Also in a Bitcoin long. Oh yeah. Up about 800 on the day with Botfolio currently. Very big move up there. I mean, that's pretty good. Uh, 800 today so far. Yeah, it's good. Yeah. Well, it trades all the time, Tom. So it's not like just since market open or something. That's from last night when the market opened at 6 p.m. to now. But yeah, it's still great. It's still great. Again, Reminder, Bulanox 90% off, Apex 80% off. Okay, those links and codes are in the Discord. The SBS update, hopefully sometime end of the week is the plan. We're trying to finalize stuff right now, so it'll be easy for you guys. Same with NQ hopefully sometime end of the week, this weekend, you know, so you have it for next week. And then we partnered with TradeSyncer as well, so you can copy your trades from multiple prop firms if you'd like. Make sure you read about TradeSyncer though. It'd be more for your manual trading than SBS or something like that. So. How do you handle accounts? Each chart here is on a separate account, so that's how I run it. Each chart is running a separate account. I don't run the same account on multiple charts. That's what you're asking. No problem. No problem. Yeah, we're not going to be getting a lot of trades here the rest of the morning with SBS unless we start pulling back or ranging a little bit, because, you know, when we pump like that, SBS does not take tons of trades. Any trades, actually. I mean, it takes trades off of pullbacks and stuff, so. We do have some medium impact at 10, I think. I don't really expect it to do anything, though. We're chilling, guys. We're chilling. Yeah, we have a checkbox in there. It's wait until flat. So if you wanted to trade multiple accounts or multiple charts on one account, you could. I wouldn't recommend it though. It just skews with the drawdowns, and I would really recommend, if you're doing multiple charts, to use multiple accounts. Most people just stick with either the 1 minute chart. A lot of people have been liking the 1 minute chart, passing accounts with the 1 minute chart, or just sticking to 42 range, or just sticking to 32. Excuse me. I'm not, no. I have a YouTube video from a little while ago showing the exact settings I use on live stream. No problem. Notion book, yes. I also have a YouTube video over it and stuff, so. Awesome. All right. Starting to get a couple potential setups. I mean, we're not that close to them. It still might not take them if we move up to them, but well, guys, anyone got anything interesting going on this week while we're just sitting here? Anyone? I'll tell you, I have something interesting. I have a new computer showing up on Thursday, so I'm excited for that. Yep, exciting. Yep. Anyone else have anything going on? Getting a little choppy again on the 1 minute here. Kind of just chopping sideways, up and down 20 points. We're up decent on the day, though. I mean, we could call it here. I mean, we're up 1R on just about everything. Roughly, at least. Roughly. No? Alright, no one's doing anything. That's good. That's good. We're in a 42 range pattern too. 42 range pattern 2, folks. Up 15 points. Stop is giving it a good amount of room to work if we want to move higher, so I like that. We're about to sweep yesterday's London high. See if we do. It's at 56 something. 56.75. There we go. Swept London high from yesterday. Getting fairly close to the trail on the 42. Are we just going to continue up all day, guys? That's the question. That's the question. We gonna tag this or no? No, we got about 8 points away there. 8-9 points. If this trade wins on the 42, we'll shut the 42 off for the day. If it loses, I guess we'll keep it on, but getting a little sideways again. We're pumping, going sideways, pumping, going sideways. How long are we gonna do that? We do have a slight SMT, barely. ES hasn't broken the high, NQ has. Are we gonna hit this or no? That's my question. We're just sideways still. It's just the action's like good but not good as well at the same time. No more SMT. About to tag this break even though. So if we could do that, that'd be nice on the 42. Just tapped 69.50, got 5 points away. There's the break even. Now hit first TP. Don't pull back, man. Hit 71.50. Or sorry, 73. We got 2 points away from the TP. 2 points. Tag it for us. Tag it for us, man. And we didn't. Okay. Yeah, we're just gonna be done. That was annoying. That was a little annoying. We'll be done there on the 42. It's good enough. I think we'll turn the 48 off as well. You know, guys, I think we're gonna call it early. You know, we've hit good trades early on, and now it's just I don't see us getting many more good setups for the morning. I'm satisfied with it. We're up, you know, 1.5 R on the 42 and the 48. We're up about 1 R on the 1 minute, and about just under 1 R on the 32. So honestly, it's still good. Still a good day. We're gonna call it and walk away with our profits. All right. So if you made some money, post it in the testimonials. All right. And we'll be back for tomorrow. All right, guys. Enjoy the rest of your day. I'll see everybody tomorrow for the live stream.